here January 12th at Lambs, slip number C74. It does not have a name on the boat. We're going to do a quick after cleaning video. She is pretty fouled up and has a good bit of spots. The paint just looks ridiculous, and we have exposed fiberglass, kind of like here, but that's also on the bottom in certain spots, and it was not fun to clean. I got it cleaned up. Let's go take a look. The zinc does seem good. I did see zinc sitting on the owner's boat, but they would not fit on this boat, and he is not here for me to ask about it. Let's go take a look. Tried to get him in the video, but there are two patches, or not patches, two flaps that the fiberglass is coming apart. Probably need to get taken care of. We ain't got no leaks or anything, but just stuff like this all over the place. But I got her cleaned up. She's looking good. And again, the sinks are all good. So, let me show you this damage plate real quick. Didn't get that in the video, but she looks good. DS Diving, thank you very much.